Hi there, this is Alpha SK Tech. In this video I'm going to show you the follow-on from the last video of the budget manager. So I'm going to show you the script. It's imported Tkinter as TK, and Tkinter is the module that is going to create a graphical user interface with the other class of my budget manager. It's also got an imported TKK bootstrap, which is going to give the GUI some graphics. So yeah, here is the first class, the budget manager, which you can see here with my cursor, and the different functions of which you saw before in the previous video, which basically give the logic to the script to run and give a printed summary of the budget and the spended and returns and the spent and returns that. And then the other class is basically the budget manager GUI, graphical user interface, for the person to use without having to do it on terminal, for instance. And yeah, and there's a few functions in here. There's initialize. There's the widgets that are created by it to go to self is the first parameter, and there's an if statement at the bottom, which has us as the root to be the bootstrapped window with the theme name Vapor, and there's also some geometry set with as an argument to show the different windows that we can have with the different sizes of the geometries of the different statements. So yes, here we are. Without further ado, let's load up Budgie, which I've called the program, as you can see in the root title there. And yeah, let's load it up with this module Tkinter and see how it looks. So yeah, that's the script. We're going to get out of this and go into run it with Python. So here it is. Here's Budgie, the program Budgie, with the bootstrapped graphic you can see as a program set up. And yeah, so we'd use this for a hypothetical business, an initial amount of $1,000. So let's say we're doing a coffee business. We're gonna get some coffee, and as you can see there, there's the available funds of 1,000. So yeah, we'll get some coffee. We'll set the budget that we have for coffee as 200, and then we'll set the budget name, budget value for actually what was spent, what the spend was. Say 120. I'll add the budget. Say we get a nice message box saying you've added the budget successfully, and then we'll go on to spend, and then you get another message box. So we could just repeat this process with different products that we have. For another coffee, for a coffee business we need some milk. So we'll set the budget and the spend of what we actually spent on milk, and yeah, we'll just go through like that. So yeah, milk 150 budget, and then we actually spent 60 on it, let's say, just to throw the numbers out there to show that the script's working, the logic's working. And yeah, sugar 120, add that budget, and then we'll go to spend 100 on sugar. So yeah, we'll add the budget first, then the spend. So yeah, what else will we need for our coffee business? Probably something like a snack kiosk. So we'll enter snacks in the budget name there as well. And then with the amount 120, keep it the same, keep it simple. Snacks again, add that budget with the spend, and then yeah, let's have a look at the summary of what it comes up as. And there we go, we're given a budgeted budget, spend remaining. So as you can see, it's like an invoice, a receipt. That's calculated all of your budgets and your spendings. I could probably work more on the alignment of different of the output, but you get what I mean. You get the gist. This is the start of a rough draft of my program, Budgie I'm going to call it, as you saw before. And yeah, I hope you've enjoyed this video. Hope you've enjoyed seeing what it takes to take a script imported with a module with bootstrap to make it a graphical user interface and something somebody could use, or you could go on to publish it, which we'll look into some other videos. But thank you very much for watching this video. This has been Alpha SK Tech.